Very open home. Very nicely decorated as well. Good morning, welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Palo Alto, here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video here located in the Villages, Florida, in the village of Palo Alto. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home. As I walk up the driveway, the first thing I notice is this beautifully painted driveway. It does appear to be a cement driveway with a pattern to it. It does have a 2-car garage with a sliding screen door as well. That roof looks in very good condition. This home is beautifully kept, well maintained. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent or the showing agent. The listing agent today is Anthony Romer. We will meet Mr. Romer as we walk into the home. You can see this home does have a screened-in front porch area as well. That is very nice. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are in the front porch area. You do see a pebble floor, block and stucco home, very neutrally decorated, very cozy in this front porch area. Let's go inside the home and take a look. Here we are entering the foyer. Hello, Anthony. How are you?
How you doing? I'm Tony Romo with Coldwell Vanguard. Welcome to the world of real estate. Come on in and let's show you around.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Anthony. I will start by describing what I see here in the foyer area. Off to the left of the foyer, you will see a door that will enter into the garage area. And as I stand in the foyer, I do notice this beautiful tile floors that go throughout this home. This home is very well decorated as well. Off to the right of the foyer area, you will see a guest bathroom and a guest bedroom. You do see in the guest bedroom, which is located in front of the house, tile floors in this room as well. Very nice, very neutrally decorated bedroom. I will video, friends, the specification sheet, so you do have the dimensions of this room. That does appear to be a queen-size bed to give you perspective of the amount of room in this bedroom. Dimensions of this bedroom is 12.3 by 11, according to the specification sheet. This bedroom does have bifold raised panel doors as well. Let's take a walk out into the guest bathroom. Here is the guest bathroom. It has those tile floors that are the same tile floors as in the bedroom. It has one sink in it, very light and bright. It does have a tub module as well and shower. That does appear to be a tile surround in that tub area. Very nice. I believe this is the laundry area here. With bifold doors, the laundry is located in the home, in the hallway. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. Here we are entering the living and dining room area. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. That does appear to be a solar tube up there as well. That is your dining area. You can see these beautiful tile floors continue through the living and dining room area. Very open home. Very nicely decorated as well. Off to the right, you will see the master bedroom, and you do see those tile floors in that master bedroom as well. Same tile floors as in the guest bedroom. Just for your perspective, friends, that is a king-size bed. The dimensions of this bedroom are 14.4 by 12. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture in this room. I will step into the corner of this room and give you a panoramic view. This is the master bedroom. We will walk into the master bathroom area. You do see those ceramic tile floors continuing into the master bathroom area as well. You do have two closets, two walk-in closets, one to the left with sliding raised panel doors, one to the right with sliding raised panel doors as well. You do have two sinks in that master bathroom. There are your two sinks. Very neutral colors on the walls, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. It does have a commode space with a window. There is your commode space and the window. There is your vanity with the two sinks. Very high ceilings. It does have a shower that is tiled with a glass door. This shower does have a sliding glass door. You can see the sliding glass door. It is tiled. Very nice. Very neutral colors in this home. Let's take a walk out into the living and dining room area. Here we are back in the living room area. It does have a lanai out the back of the home. I will take you out there. I walk into the living room area, and off to the left you will see the kitchen area. You do see those ceramic tile floors continuing in that kitchen area. You do have built-in cabinets as well. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. You do have a dinette area in this kitchen area as well. Those countertops are wood countertops. It does have an electric stove. Looks like it has a single bowl upgraded stainless sink. You do have painted kitchen cabinets, stainless appliances as well. Very high ceilings. Very nice. Very comfortable home. That door will lead out into the two-car garage. This is the two-car garage. The two-car garage does have painted floors. Very nice. I will walk out into the lanai area. Here we are out into the lanai area. Let's take a walk. Oh, here we have a den area as well. Here we are in the den area. This den does have the same tile floors as the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. It continues with the very high ceilings with the acoustic texture. And there is a patio door that leads out to the deck, actually to the back lanai. Let's take a walk out into the back lanai area. This lanai has beautiful pebble floors. It is enclosed with screens and acrylic windows. It does have a shaded roof to protect you from the sun. It is a very long lanai area. I will walk out to the backyard. I will show you the directions and the backyard and the side yard as well. There is a small patio area off the lanai. Here you can probably put a barbecue grill. This is the backyard of this home. You can see that that's the backyard right there. The back of the home is facing south. The front of the home is facing north. That is the side of the yard. It is protected by landscaping. Again, that roof looks very new. Let's walk into the house. I will take a video of the specification sheet. So you have the room dimensions of this home. As always, friends, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent, and I will include his contact information. So if you have any questions, please contact the listing agent, Tony. I will video the specification sheet now. Here is the specification sheet and Tony Romer's contact information. Please contact Tony with any questions. This home is located at 1914 Iglesia Street here in the Villages, Florida. List price is $425,000. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home with a den. It has a new roof in 2024 and a new water heater as well. As always, friends, please feel free to pause the video at any time to read the specification sheet. Here are the room dimensions. The kitchen is 21 by 12. The HOA fees are $195 a month here in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. One last panoramic view of the kitchen. One last panoramic view of the living room area and the dining room area. This home shows very well. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will now walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. Let's take a walk outside. Here we are in the front sitting area, walking out to the street. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Tony, if you have any questions about this home. The front of the home is facing north. I will walk to the street and pan the street. This would be the street facing east. That is your home. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco with a den located here in the Villages, Florida, the village of Palo Alto. And this would be facing west. That is your quiet cul-de-sac right there. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for taking this home tour here in the Villages, Florida, in the village of Palo Alto, in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home with a den. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing.